Bitcoin is about to experience a record price increase in the history of assets. If you're watching this video and you're a Bitcoin investor, make sure you watch this to the end, because what just happened is history. The largest company in the world, BlackRock, has come out, the CEO right now we're going to watch, and basically said a lot of positive things about Bitcoin, that they are ready to invest, and they have a problem why a lot of these kind of guys haven't been touching Bitcoin, and these guys are trying to solve that. And that is going to bring an overwhelming amount of institutional Wall Street money into crypto right now. So let's watch, and then I'll give you guys a background and an analysis of what's going on. This is a bite-sized crypto update, so it's going to be quick. But if you've been wondering why Bitcoin has been going up recently, it's because BlackRock filed for a Bitcoin ETF. And the market has been reacting in anticipation of that happening, and it seems like it's going to happen. So let's watch, because this is the current news right now in crypto. Michael Saylor just posted it, a couple of other guys. So I'm just going to play here from, let's play from Watcher Guru's page.
And also, I do believe the role of crypto is it's digitizing gold in many ways. Instead of investing in gold as a hedge against inflation, a hedge against the onerous problems of any one country, or the devaluation of your currency, whatever country you're in. Let's be clear. Bitcoin is an international asset. It's not based on any one currency. And so it can represent an asset that people can play as an alternative. I would call the foundation of BlackRock is about hope. You invest for retirement because you believe tomorrow is better than today.
So guys, to give you a little bit of context here, if you want to prove this, you can look it up yourself. Just ask, is BlackRock the largest company in the world? You're going to find this info here on Google. The $10 trillion giant, here's how BlackRock became the biggest company in the world. These guys, they basically manage a good amount of the United States retirement funds. They own basically the US market, the US real estate. They own a good chunk of Pfizer. They're one of the largest shareholders in Pfizer, Microsoft, and several other companies. These guys got more money than God. And now, all that, they're now opening the door for crypto, starting with Bitcoin. And the last bull market was driven by people like Saylor and all that. You know, these are small players in the grand scheme of things. BlackRock is the real deal. So, to prove to you how important this is, guys, I'll show you the history of Larry Fink, who is the founder and also the CEO of BlackRock. The same guy who is coming out and speaking like Michael Saylor, right? Just a few years ago, this is what he was saying in 2017. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink calls Bitcoin an index of money laundering. And you listen to him now, he sounds exactly like Michael Saylor. All right. So Bitcoin is first, and next, I believe that we're going to start hearing positive news about Ethereum as well. That's why I have a big, long position on Ethereum. Now, let's listen to this.
It was very expensive. It does erode.
He's going to speak on why these guys were not investing in Bitcoin and what they're going to do now to make it possible to, basically, they own the US government, technically. And they will now convince the regulators to open up for the Bitcoin ETF. So let's listen.
Wrote a lot of the returns that you speak about, because it costs a lot of money right now to transact Bitcoin, and it costs a lot of money to get out of that. And so we hope our regulators look at these filings as a way to democratize crypto, and we'll see in the future how that plays out.
You were never a crypto skeptic like Buffett. I mean, Buffett and Charlie Munger come out and they say all this bad stuff about it. But you were kind of skeptical.
Yeah, I was skeptical because the early users it was heavily used for, let's say, illicit activities.
So he's repeating his talking points of what he was saying before, but he just made it clear that, oh, now we're trying to work with the regulators to make sure they can allow this to happen so that the bigger guys can play. And trust me, nobody wants to say no to BlackRock. Like I say, these guys are more powerful than the government itself. They're the funders of it. So we have seen applications for a Bitcoin ETF since 2017 or so, and nobody has managed to get it. They have all been turned down by the regulators. And these guys, they're going to get it done. And we're going to see a remarkable run of Bitcoin. I think that is inevitable at this point. And combine that with a reaction of the market when the rates starts going down because the rates are too high right now, the interest rate. When that happens and those two forces combined, on top of that, another force is going to be Bitcoin's halving. So if you got billions of dollars coming into Bitcoin, but the supply of it is going to get cut in half in a few months from now, that definitely shows you how bullish this asset is about to get. So yeah, that's all I had. It's just a quick update. I just wanted you guys to be in the know. You can watch his entire interview on YouTube somewhere, but I just wanted to let you know that if you've been dollar cost averaging, do not stop doing that because Bitcoin is coming, and this time around is going to come really hard and change many lives, especially for those who have been investing relentlessly. For those of you who want to learn how to invest in cryptocurrency the right way, immediately right now go to cryptouniversity.network and grab my course or join the Crypto University membership, which gives you access to my courses, trading indicators, signals, and weekly sessions that I host in there, and direct support from myself and my team. All right, link is in the description. I'll see you guys on the moon. If you want to start trading derivatives or spot trading like I do, links are also in the description to Bybit or KX. These are the platforms that I use, even Binance as well. All right, see you guys next time. This was a quick update.